welcome to this week's episode of Cooking with Connie. We have got a sweet treat that'll be really satisfying, especially if you're trying to follow a keto diet and try to figure out how to put those good fats in your diet. So this is our chocolate peanut butter pecan fat bombs, all right? They're super simple. We got our pecans. We put it in the freezer. There's no cooking, well, little microwaving to it, but really super simple recipe. And we're going to take you step by step through it if you continue to watch the video. Remember, we do put the recipes up in the comment section, but please watch the video to the end so we can get our view times up there. And we'll continue in just a few minutes. Okay, guys, so we're going to be making these, let's see if I get it right, chocolate peanut butter pecan fat bombs. So if you're doing a keto diet, it's important to get good fats in here. So this would be a really good sweet treat to have if you're doing keto or just looking to add some good fats. So we're starting with 2 cups of just raw pecans. So you go to the baking aisle and get pecans that have nothing else on them. Then what I'm going to do is in my mixing cup here, I've got 4 tablespoons of our coconut oil. Remember, coconut oil, mine's a little bit soft right now because it's a little bit warmer. So at 70 degrees, coconut oil is going to become liquid. So if it's a cold kitchen, you're going to have more of a solid. And it's fine for it to go back and forth because it's going to fluctuate with the temperatures. So we're going to do 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. We have 2 tablespoons of butter in here. We have 2 tablespoons of our unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and then we have 1 cup of our monk fruit allulose. So I've got that in a glass jar or glass mixing bowl, and I'm going to put this in the microwave, heat it up. Then we're going to combine all this stuff together, spread it out on our baking sheet, and then we're popping it in the freezer. Guess what? No baking with this one, so it's going to be super simple. Then we let it set up. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff melted, and then we'll get it popped in the freezer, and we'll come back when we get this one done. Okay, guys, so we left this in the freezer for about 20 minutes, and as you can set up, it's set up really nice here. And then all you have to do is kind of break it apart, and that way, whenever you're ready for a little snack, have it with a little bit of maybe Greek yogurt. This is going to be something that's going to have a lot of nutritional value. It's going to make you feel satisfied because of the good fats in it. So this is one, super simple, tasty. If you're craving some sweet treats and you're doing the keto diet, this would be a really good thing to do. So remember, this is Cooking with Connie. Like, share, subscribe. Watch our videos to the end so we can get our watch time up there. We're at 1,000 subscribers, but we need the watch time up now. So keep watching. And remember this week, make good choices.